Hi everyone, welcome to my part 2 video on how to make daily sales. Let's continue to the next slide. Now here's the biggest secret sauce. Traffic without a proven program is wasted. You can drive all the traffic in the world, but if you do not have a high quality program, it's like pouring water into a bucket with holes. Nothing sticks. A solid program not only converts your leads into buyers, but also rewards you when your leads make sales too. That's called tier 2 commissions. So don't just chase traffic, pair it with the right system and watch your income multiply. Here's the thing, these traffic sources come from their warm leads, meaning you're not chasing cold leads. And the best part, leads are hard coded to you forever. There's no competition for the same leads. There's no losing commission to the others. There's and sales come to you in months or even years later and they are still yours. This is a game changer for building a long-term income. We've already have a student who secured a sale just from the rotator itself. Actually, there's more than one student. So look at this guy over here on the left. He earned 566 just from the rotator itself. Now, can you imagine after the full launch, when this built-in traffic merged with the hardcode features and the ability for members to join at no cost, purchases are bound to follow. It's a powerful tool when you drive all your own organic traffic plus hard-coded leads features to a low entry barrier program that makes it easy to get started, plus all the traffic from the creators after the full launch, you'll get your own traffic plus free traffic from the creators. Just imagine that. Not just that, the creators will be adding valuable products to the ecosystem. Members will purchase these products to support their journey in learning how to make money online. It only means you earn money even when you are not actively promoting in the long run. What I like about them is the power of this program that encouraged upgrades and recurring income. This offer is not just about making a one-time sale. Programs that support upgrades and recurring income provide a long-term business opportunity with greater rewards. Always choose a product that comes with all these features that pays you 75% commissions or more so you earn big with every sale, that comes with free traffic, that gives hard-coded leads to you, never have to miss a lead again, and tier 2 commissions, which is easy to scale so you can watch your earnings grow effortlessly. What you won't need, no email writing, no sales calls, no complex landing pages, no payment gateway setup. Let me break down the reasons why all this are important. If a program pays you 75% commissions or more, you receive high commission rates with every sale you make. This maximizes your earning even without you having to sell a huge volumes. And then they give you free traffic. Who doesn't need traffic, right? Now, you get all this traffic from the proven sources that drive visitors to your offer. I look at my stats, it increased every single day. Hard-coded leads. So you never miss a lead again. All your leads are securely captured and assigned to you. Even if they don't buy immediately, they're tied to you forever. Tier 2 commissions. You can watch your earnings grow effortlessly. What does that mean? When your lead make a sale, you get rewarded too. Isn't that great? It's a very healthy ecosystem. You encourage them to make sales and you benefit from their growth as well. What you won't need, you don't need any email writing. They will give you all those proven emails, not just any emails, but they are proven to convert. You don't need any sales call because they will do it for you. They will do it on your behalf. If you're a VIP member, they will close all the sales for you and you get rewarded. My friend, I think he earned around 600 plus just because he's a VIP member. Yeah. In the future, when I'm capable enough, I will probably upgrade to VIP because this is a really good program where I see a huge earning potential in it. You don't need any complex landing pages, they will do it for you. I'm not sure about you, but don't get me wrong, I love designing funnels, but if I can have the option of not doing it, I will not do it. No payment gateway, no payment gateway setup. Not sure about you, but when I first started, it took me 2 days to set it up. I had no clue what I was doing, and the payment just won't come through. So you don't have to worry about that. Hopefully, future they will even have the pay later option. So you don't have to worry about it. But the only thing you need to do is to drive as many traffic as possible to your one link. In conclusions, it provides you with everything, removing all these tasks so that you save time, reduce all complexity. You just need to focus on growing your business without all the hassles and expand your business with ease. Let me break down the reasons why all these things are important. Why are upgrades important? So, upgrades happens when your customers or your affiliate choose to invest in a more expensive tiers. Let's say they started off as a silver level, now they want to upgrade to platinum. As they upgrade, you earn money, right? You will be rewarded. And then if they want additional package or any extra other features, you continue to earn your commission, not just on the initial sale, but on all these upgrades. Upgrades are important because as an affiliate, even if some days you don't feel like doing anything, no worries because you brought in enough people into your ecosystem, right? When they buy something, they do upgrades. They get all the promotional stuff in the ecosystem. You will still earn. No worry about that. Let me repeat again. Look at the last paragraph. Okay, look at the last paragraph here. Programs with upgrades give you a much better chance of earning consistently over time compared to programs that only provide one-time commissions. This is not a one-time commissions. You keep on earning from the same lead again and again, since they are hard-coded to you forever, right? Okay, now what are the benefits of upgrades and recurring income? Recurring income, you keep earning from the same customer as they upgrade and purchase more. You get higher earnings. Okay. The more upgrades they do, the higher commissions and a better revenue model. Member retention. With all these features in the ecosystem, they encourage people to upgrade, and then most likely member will engage in the program and continue to make more purchases. If they're serious about making money, if you get enough people who are serious about making money into your ecosystem, when they upgrade, because the value is undeniable, right? And when they upgrade, you earn more. When they buy stuff, you earn money. With all these powerful features in place, how is anyone not making daily sales? Breaking news right now, we are only 10 days away from the full launch. They are offering a one-time fee. There's no money charges after this. After the full launch, you have to pay $97 per month. So that's about 1,200 every year. Think about that, right? Now seize your chance before the price doubles or even triples in the future. If you're interested, click on the link below this video. That's all for today. Make sure you come back for part 3. Thank you. Bye bye.